Hello, in today's video, we will discuss how to embed iFrame in WordPress. First, log in your dashboard section, and iFrame can be embedded without plugin, and we will show embed iFrame through the plugin. Go to plugin section, add new. The plugin name is iFrame. Second one, install now. And active. After active, copy the shortcode to the iFrame. Copy and open one post. Paste the source code and copy one YouTube video link. Remove and paste our own URL and update and view post. See embed iFrame in WordPress. Thank you.